A fire suspected to be arson gutted a house in Adelphi, leaving one person homeless. More in this report.
28-year-old Andre Phillips is now contemplating his next move after his Lot 23 Adelphi Village East Kanji house was gutted by a fire on Easter Monday. While this reporter arrived on scene, the firefighters were still working arduously to contain the fire and to ensure that it did not spread to the other nearby houses. Andre Phillips spoke with media operatives about what transpired.
The message when we just come out from the police station, it was just like alarm walking. While walking from me now, because we can Dre house on fire. So I was like traumatized now, like, really me house on fire. When I run up here and I come on the bridge now, first weekend, I see the whole house in flames. I couldn't save nothing. I've been here from since 2008.
And y'all have everything in there fully furnished?
It's a furnished house.
It's a furnished house.
And the two of you live alone there?
No,
He alone
me
live.
alone. Everybody from here abroad.
During the interview, Phillips alluded that he thought the fire was set on purpose by someone he knew.
From the station.
You had an issue with somebody there? Or anything?
I don't know my names.
But you think it can be related?
Partially. This is the result. This is why I get.
What is the issue?
I was
You
threatened.
were threatened?
If they can't get me in the lockup, this is why I come out and this is why I see.
His aunt then related,
Be with me, I'm his aunt. He will be by me because he have nothing other than what he have. And here, this is what he have. He ain't ever saved anything. All his documents burned. Everything. Everything.
Regional Fire Officer Mr. Kirkland Henry spoke with the media operatives and reported on the fire service's response to the call.
We received a call 2912, sorry, the house, and when we get there, the call was about 1838. We arrived there 1843. Both appliances from the Amsterdam Fire Station respond, and when we get there, the house was well alight. So right away, we get into operation using both vehicles to bring the fire under control and eventually extinguish it.
This was what their preliminary investigations revealed.
So far, we received the fire was military set by person unknown. I can't tell you who lighted it. So right now the matter is in hands of the police. Because of the buildings are already completely destroyed, I cannot tell you exactly where the fire started in the building. But what we know for sure that the building is completely destroyed by fire.
As of Tuesday, April 11, 2023, the police told media operatives that the fire was being treated as a suspected case of arson and that one individual was in police custody. Andre Phillips is willing to accept any form of assistance from the general public. He can be contacted on telephone number 600-2051. Narima Ali, Channel 8 News.